All right, we're going to bring 100 tablets to make your own windshield and window cleaner. So they come in this secure bag here. We do have a couple of liters here that we're going to fill up with water, and then we're going to mix it up. So to make a gallon, you're going to need a couple of these. But today we're going to mix it up here. We're going to use it in our car. We're going to clean it up, see how it works. So the way it works, you just take it out and it's a blue little tablet, very small, petite. You guys can see it. Keep away from kids and any kind of any child that you have. Just make sure that you secure these. All right. You throw it in there and you just wait for a while. We're gonna see how effective it is indoors. We're gonna use it for our glass first, all right? And I made it looks like windshield wiper fluid, so we're gonna go ahead and use it indoors first. Let's look how dirty this is. My dogs come in here and they lick it out and make it really dirty. So let's go ahead and clean it out. All right, look at this. Did a great job on the window. I did the inside, outside. I can see clear now. So I'm gonna put this to use on our car, see how well it works. All right, check it out, guys. So it's coming out really good. You can actually see through the glass very good. This is half of it's done. And look at the other half. You can see the stains and stuff like that with regular water. And it rained recently, that's why. So pretty good product. And there is the rest of it. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.